What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt. Today we are looking at something I've actually seen quite a few times, but I've never gotten my hands on one until recently. iClever hit me up and sent me this. This is the tri-folding wireless keyboard with backlight, or backlit. It's the ICBK05. Now from what I've seen, it looks like the perfect traveling keyboard because this is actually a full-size keyboard. You can see it's pretty much about the size of my hand. Now this is actually supporting Bluetooth 5.1, which for those who don't know is kind of new. Should have a real good stable connection. Plus you can actually connect up to 3 devices at one time. Now it is Windows supported. It's supported by iOS and Android, so pretty much anything with Bluetooth, you'll be able to connect it. Oh my goodness, it's even smaller than that. Wow, okay, well that's really cool. All right, what else? We've got a USB to micro USB cable for charging or hardwire. You can hardwire with this. Let's see, you got a user rating card, and then you got the user manual. They're saying that this is actually made out of aircraft aluminum alloy. Oh, fancy. Look at that. That is cool looking. So it's about the size of my hand. Pretty small. I could definitely see carrying this around. I mean, see how thin it is when it's folded? About the thickness of my phone with the OtterBox. Now on the back, you can see right here, you got your micro USB port for charging. Feels nice and sturdy. Ooh. Oh, it powers on immediately. Oh, I like that. You see how it's kind of got this curve on the side right here. Boom, you put that down, and then right there, boom, pop that down, and now it's sitting flat. See that? Oh, that is so cool. Hey, that's a full-size keyboard. It feels like my laptop. Oh, I like that a lot. I like the raised buttons. It's very reminiscent of the Mac keyboard. I like the spacing. It feels nice and smooth. It's pretty quiet. You can see the keys right here. You've got your Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3. So after you synchronize it, then you do function pairing. Now I'm in the state of pairing. All right, let's just pair it to my phone first. There we go. Already connected. All right. Now what happens if I hit the keyboard? Windows button. Ha! Look at that. Stop listening. Don't listen to me. Hi, my name is Matt. Okay, cool. I need another device. Give me this. Okay, so function, and then the second one, and then function pairing. So now it's pairing, and it should come up. I believe that is it. Oops, you guys can't even see that. There we go. Okay, so now that's connected. Okay, so now I should be able to control that. Okay, so that's being controlled. Now if I want to switch to the other one, I just hit Q1 and it should immediately be in control. There we go. Wow, look at that. An immediate connection. Now you can do a third device. I don't have one readily available, but you can see how it works. That's very cool. I'm liking that. You can also see if you hardwire it, you want to go to function and then that for the USB so it takes over. Press function, alt, down. Oh, there we go. Cool. Oh, I like that blue. Oh, that looks really good. And green. So you got red, green, and blue. Keep in mind, if you have the backlight on, it is going to eat up some of the battery, but you know, you can't always just plug it directly in. You can hardwire it as well. And you don't even have to turn it off when you're done. All you do is just close it, put those in there, and then boom, you're good to go. You throw it right into your bag. When it's fully open, it is 10.9 inches across or 278 millimeters, 4.2 inches from top to bottom or 170 millimeters. Now when it's closed, you've got 6.5 inches or 166 millimeters and 4.7 inches or 120 millimeters. So very compact and it's pretty sturdy. This right here, these brackets, these are definitely made out of plastic and they're kind of wobbly because they're on these tracks. But you can see when you do that, you see they all move and line up in place. Now right now on Amazon, it's about 47 bucks with 4 out of 5-star rating from over 600 customer reviews. So it seems to be pretty well liked, and I can see why. I think this is pretty much like the perfect small little portable keyboard. Now, I didn't see any information about the battery. Doesn't say. But anyway, there you go. Not a bad little keyboard. I'm definitely digging it. If you're in the market and you're looking for a keyboard that'll go really well with traveling, business travel, or just a convenience just to have something so small and compact that you can use just anywhere, this is not a bad way to go about it. It's really nice. I like it. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.